In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then just go to someone's profile. All you have to do, guys, in order to block a user is just stop right here at that arrow and then select block. It says that after you block the user, they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. They will not be notified that you blocked them. To continue, tap at block. If you don't see that arrow icon on user's profile, that probably means that you need to update your TikTok app. So just go to the App Store or Play Market, search for TikTok, and then if this button says update, tap on it to get the latest TikTok version.